안녕하세요. Welcome back to Talk to me, Mr.Hwang. 저는 Mr.Hwang, 황태현입니다. It's not learning. Since we learned some rules and complicated things, for today we have some breaks. These are some funny things because the languages are different. Korean, for example, Korean and English are different. We have some other types of speaking, reading the same product, same words. So I'm gonna give you some examples, and if you listen that words when you are traveling Korea or meet some Koreans in your country, don't be frustrated or don't be surprised. It is just natural thing. Okay, let me explain about it first. Korean language, Hangul, doesn't have a sound like t. Some consonant ending of the words, for example, pipe, street, 없어요. We don't have it. We need to complete 음절. 음절 is the minimum size of we can speak. We can complete the letter. We need to write it down into p. We need to combine vowels after consonant to complete the word letter 음절, because we cannot make 음절 only with consonant like K, for example. It's not complete one. We should add up vowel 으 and complete it into k. Yeah. And also we don't have some consonants like F, B, R, TH, and Z. So we have some funny cases for that. So let's check it out. First example, cassette. Cassette. We are saying cassette, cassette. Because Korean doesn't have intonation same as English. And also the final t. We are not using t sounds. We need to complete it into t. So we use that word, speak it. 카세트, 카세트. 카세트 테이프 좀 갖다 줘. 테이프, tape. But Koreans speak normally tape. Of course, the new generations, they're speaking English as English. But some typical Korean or elder generations, since they're not English users, they speak it into Korean way, Konglish. Also, yeah, pipe. We are speaking that pipe, pipe. Yeah, p. Strike, strike. In the baseball, strike. But 이거 스트라이크야. You should add up if you want to pretend to be Korean speaker, Korean user. You need to use some English words into Korean way. Robot. We are using it since we don't have R sound. We use just robot, lo. But also the vowel sounds a bit different too. It's not sounded like robot. We're using robot. It's strange, right? But it is okay. Foul. Since we don't have F sound, we are using it into Paul. We don't have any difference between F and P, since we have only P. Science vessel. When we are playing StarCraft game, there's a thing which is called science vessel, but we don't have V sound. Also, the vowel vessel, so it sounds a little bit different. So we call that science vessel. Science vessel 좀 뽑아 빨리. Yeah. And is one of the most favorite one, the different sound. Zero. We are using it. Zero. The vowel is different, and consonant totally different too. Zero, not zero, zero, zero. Because Koreans speaking Z consonant into Z, not Z. So yeah, that's the reason. Liquor.
Liquor.
Guess. How can you speak it? Liquor? No. Normally in the broadcast, some entertainers speaking into liquor. Liquor. I don't know why it goes like that, but yeah, it's going into liquor, not liquor. Recipe.
니콜이 추천하는 K-food 레시피.
Koreans speaking it recipe. Recipe. 레시피 좀 알려주세요. Recipe 알려주세요. Some foreign-based Korean artists, like Korean American artists, they are speaking it into recipe, but normal Koreans speaking it recipe 좀 알려주세요. Hard disk. Yeah, hard disk. 하드 디스크. We don't have R sounds, so it sounds as 하드, and we don't have a D or K, so I mean D and K sound. Hard disk. We don't have it, so we need to complete it. So we are speaking it into 하드 디스크. Yeah, it's funny, right? News. News. Different. Oh, you know 101, right? K-pop artists, they are so famous, and they have a song which has name Boomerang. Also, they are singing it as Boomerang, original English pronunciation, but it was wrote in Boomerang.
Boomerang.
So some people are calling that Boomerang. Boomerang 틀어주세요. Please play the music. Boomerang, not Boomerang. And Task Force. Task Force. Task Force. Task Force. We don't have R sounds, so force and F sound. Force 없어요. So Task Force. Task Force 어서 구성해. Make task force for that business. But just task force. And street.
스트리트 파이터.
Street. Street. Oh, this is so important thing. We have a word, passion. Passion. Passion 감각이 좋은데? 에? Passion feeling? Nice? What's that? Passion. Since we don't have F sound, for Koreans, fashion and passion has no difference when we are writing it into Korean. Passion. But normally fashion is used original English, but passion, 열정, is used in Korean. 열정. So we divide it into that way. But if we need to write it down in Korean sounds, they are same. Passion and fashion. Korean passion. Passion. And yeah, vase. The vase, you have it, right? To put some flowers in your house. It has V sound, but Koreans use that word into 꽃병. But when we need to write it down into speaking way, we need to use just base. Baseball's base and vase, they are same in Korean writing. Base. And oh yeah, TH sound. TH sound, we don't have it also. Like for example, health, summer. Guess what I'm speaking. Health, summer is health. Like you are healthy. 없어요. 너 헬시. 헬스 갔어? Have you been to health? 그리고 thermal and thermal grease. We don't have that word, so we are calling that summer grease. Grease is sounds as grease also. Summer grease. Please give me one summer grease. Summer grease 주세요. Not thermal grease. The final one, mask. Yeah, mask is nice, right? But we call that mask. You've seen a lot of K-pop idols wearing a black mask when they're going into some foreign country. So in the airport, they're wearing masks because sometimes they are tired and they didn't get the makeup, so they need to cover up their face. So they are using mask. But we call that 마스크. 마스크 좀 주세요. Please give me a mask. But we are calling that mask. Alright, so this is for today's topic, not lesson. This is just topic. Check some more words when you are watching Korean dramas or movie. You can get it, right? Have a nice day and hope to see you again.